Hello friends, this is my first video. This video is about poem for appreciation. This type of question in activity sheet, question number 3B, which will be 5 marks. Today I am going to appreciate of the poem, The Twins. I will clear you. With the help of 5 points, we can appreciate any poem. Points are as like this: title, the name of the poet or poetess, rhyme scheme, figure of speech, and the central idea. According to the 5 points, we can appreciate the poem. Let's see, I will clear you this poem. Title, The Twins. Second point, the name of the poet or poetess. The name of the poet is Henry Sambru Lee. Next point is that rhyme scheme. There is a fixed rhyme scheme. This poem is about 8 stanzas. Every stanza has a consist 4 lines, and every stanza have same rhyme scheme. For example, AB, AB. As like this, we can write in this point rhyme scheme. The next point will be their figure of speech. In this poem, there are 3 figure of speech: hyperbole, alliteration, and repetition. In this point, we must write any of the figure of speech, their lines, and we can give little bit explanation about that. Here is I am going to take one example of alliteration. Our close resemblance turn the tide. In this line, T letter is repeated pleasingly in this poem. Another example we will write there of repetition. In fact, year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on. From this line, year and year, this word is repeated in this poem for poem's effect. As like this, we can write little bit explanation about the line. Next point will be the theme or central idea. The Twins is very humorous poem. It is narrative poem. The poet is the speaker of this poem. Poets born twins. The poet and his brothers resembles same. So they creates problem. Mistakenly, they creates problem each other. Their relatives confuse. It may be happen in reality. The poets has exaggerates the real situation. As like this, explanation we can give in central idea. If we write each of the points with their proper explanation, we can get 5 marks. Hope that you can understand well and you can get full marks in your writing. Thank you.